Welcome to Eggs Galore. Today I'll be opening a Winnie-the-Pooh egg, a Spongebob egg, and a Scooby-Doo surprise egg. Let's start with Spongebob. So we've got some sweets. We've got one of these characters here. I'll check the name in just a minute. I'm not up with SpongeBob, unfortunately. And we have some SpongeBob stickers. And this is the flyer. Oh wow, lots and lots of characters to collect there. Now, this looks like a fun collection. Wow. Loving that one. Okay, now let's open the Winnie-the-Pooh surprise egg. Sometimes it's so difficult to find that serrated edge. Oh, okay, we've got a hologram there. Let's see if we can get both there. Oh, Tigger in one, and a balloon, and Winnie-the-Pooh there. That's so cute. We have, instead of sweets this time, we get a cookie. Open up that. Yep, cookie. And we've also got a sticker there with Eeyore. And again, just the flyer with all the various gifts on. Now time for the Scooby-Doo egg. We have sweets once again, and we've got a Scooby-Doo armband there, wristband. Okay, sticker. And all the gifts. Today we got this character here. It's Gary the Snail, I found out, and I like this collection actually because you actually get characters and it's always more fun to collect those. Then we got a Scooby-Doo wristband and a 3D card with characters from Winnie-the-Pooh on it. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Please do subscribe. Bye.